Hi, I'm Bob Lederer, and welcome to Pharma Research Video Report, where pharmaceutical, healthcare, biotech, and medical device market researchers come for news, insights, and commentary about their fields that they just won't find anywhere else. And let's get started for this week. Michael Crystal, writing in excellent fashion for PharmaExec.com, was at the DIA 50th annual meeting in San Diego, and he said that experts there agreed that the promise around the practice of comparative effectiveness research is having very little practical impact so far on healthcare decision-making. There are a number of reasons, and three speakers stood out in explaining them. Quintile's Outcome Chief of Scientific Affairs and Senior Vice President Nancy Dreyer said, quote, CER is going to be a fundamental game changer in how we practice medicines and will help us get access to the right medicines at the right time and to the right patients, end of quote. But that's not happening right now, and Dreyer explained the current roadblocks to that progress, at least as she sees it. Leading the way, healthcare systems lack the tools and training to best interpret real-world data. Meanwhile, physicians are also a roadblock, so says Kaiser Permanente Department of Research and Evaluation Senior Scientist Brian Mittman. The doctor community, he said, is generally speaking very conservative towards CER, but he said that might be remedied if there are better, larger scale reports that are well designed research-wise. Also not anticipating any short-term CER buy-in is Kimberly Westrich, the National Pharmaceutical Council Director of Health Research Services, who pointed to an insufficient number of good studies and said that the few that are out there have just not been widely disseminated. She also revealed results of an NPC project that shows only 6% of respondents expect CER to have much of an impact in the next year, but that will change, slightly growing to 21% by 2017, and that percentage dramatically growing to 42% by 2019. Mittman, Dreyer, and Westrich look positively at emerging medical data tools, for instance EHR data, and its possible place within the CER initiative. Next, Health Affairs published a Brigham and Women's Hospital study that shows cost reduction possibilities, all made available through big data. Dr. David Bates, the hospital's chief quality officer and the study's author, discussed the project's particular attention on algorithms, which it says can positively impact the expenditures on low-hanging fruit in inpatient situations. There were 6 such opportunity areas highlighted: high-cost patients, readmissions, triage, decompensation, adverse effects, and treatment optimization for diseases affecting multiple organs. Dr. Bates says it's not at all impossible that comparable savings could be achieved in outpatient situations, but they haven't really studied that yet. And finally, FDA has a decision to make by this September, and it's whether to continue its 5-year-old Mini-Sentinel program. It's a $116 million project that actively searches for adverse events by sending queries to 18 data partners who are predominantly in the health plan and insurance company fields. Mini-Sentinel actually sends out requests for codes from physicians' diagnostic tests and procedures that patients undergoing private treatments have in their personal records, and it digs to find troubling reports. Critics say they are displeased with using billing records for this purpose, and they also question how well this whole system can reveal drug side effects. That's this week's Pharma Research Video Report. A reminder that PRVR is in the cloud if you can't view YouTube, and also you can download the RBDR app from the Apple Store in order to view PRVR on your iOS device. Please share Pharma Research Video Report with your friends and peers in the business. There is a forwarding button in the email if you are an email subscriber. And remember that if you like the video, you can have your friends subscribe, and it costs nothing. All we need is their email address. Good luck with your research this week, and we'll see you back here real soon.